Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be sharing with you a fantastic way to earn money online. If you're watching this, it's probably because you're looking for an easy and effective way to make some extra cash, and I'm happy to tell you that you're in the right place. With this new method, you can earn a significant amount of PayPal cash just by watching videos online. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick with me and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Now, you might be a bit skeptical, but trust me, this is a legitimate way to make money online. In fact, you can use the extra cash to invest in something you've been wanting for a long time, like a new phone or a computer. I know how badly you want to upgrade your lifestyle, and that's precisely why you need to focus on this video. The method I'm about to share is straightforward and easy to follow. You don't need any special skills or expertise to get started. All you need is a smartphone or a computer with an internet connection and you're good to go. So whether you're a student, stay-at-home mom, or someone who's just looking for a side hustle, this method is perfect for you. In this video, I'll take you through the entire process, step by step. I'll show you how to sign up, how to start watching videos, and how to earn money. By the end of this video, you have all the information you need to get started and start earning cash right away. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Our website today is rapidworkers.com. So, have you ever found yourself struggling to create a marketing campaign for your small business? It can be a daunting task to figure out how to generate exposure and drive sales, especially if you're working with a limited budget. That's where rapidworkers.com comes in. It's a unique service that operates on crowdsourcing, meaning that there are over 100,000 workers who are ready and willing to help you create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns. Whether you're an individual, a small business, or a professional, rapidworkers.com has got you covered. To get started with rapidworkers.com, all you need is to open up your web browser and type in the website's URL. From there, you can explore the different services that are offered and choose the one that best fits your needs. Not only does it offer various payment methods like PayPal and bank transfer, but it also has a plethora of tasks available for workers to complete. These tasks range from submitting websites to search engines and promoting sites on social media platforms like Twitter, blogs, and forums, to writing reviews and more. The best part is that the tasks are suitable for all kinds of workers from different corporations. Next, sign up as a worker on the website and browse the micro jobs they have to offer. Select the task you like, and once you complete them and provide proof, you'll earn your cash. You can cash out via PayPal or transfer to other methods listed on the website. Let me show you the process of signing up. Click on the button in the video and it will lead you to the sign up page. Fill out all the required information, including your name, email address, password, and select your country. The website accepts applicants from all over the world, which proves this technique is something you can do no matter where you are. Once you're done, confirm that you're not a robot and you're almost finished setting up your account. But before everything else, let's go over some important rules on this website. It's really important that you don't use VPNs or any other software that hides your IP address. It's also not allowed to have multiple accounts with the same IP address or use public or shared Wi-Fi. It's really important that you only do tasks that are assigned to your country. If you try to do tasks for other countries while using the same IP address as other accounts, you could get banned. So it's best to avoid doing this altogether. If you do happen to get banned, you won't be able to create another account, so please make sure to follow the rules carefully. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So make sure to verify your email after creating your account. Check your inbox and click on the link provided in the email to confirm. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can keep track of your total earnings and withdrawals. The site offers various tasks that you can complete to earn $1 to $5, which is an amazing opportunity. The tasks are straightforward and usually take only a few minutes to complete, with payments varying depending on the task and the time it takes to finish. It's important to note that some tasks are only available in certain countries, so be sure to check before you begin. To maximize your earnings, search for tasks related to liking videos on YouTube, as they tend to pay the most. You can easily complete several tasks within an hour, making it a great way to earn some extra cash. Once you complete a task, you'll receive your payment, and it's as simple as that. At Rapid Workers, you sign up, browse micro jobs, select tasks you like, complete them, submit proof, and earn money. And the best part is that they have various payment methods, including PayPal, bank transfer, and more. However, it's essential to be cautious when signing up for online earning opportunities and carefully research a website before providing any personal information or working on any task. But you don't have to worry about Rapid Workers because it's legitimate and can help you earn some cash. When you click sign up, you'll need to verify your email address before you can start. Check your inbox for an email with a link which will take you to your verified Rapid Worker account. Inside, you can keep track of your transactions, balance, and withdrawals. You can also see all the tasks available to you, including the task's details, country availability, payment, and time. To earn money by liking YouTube videos, search for YouTube in the search bar. You can filter your results to show your task only related to YouTube and with higher payments. Choose a task and read through its details before following the instructions to complete it. Let's begin with a quick recap. Now, I know you're here because you're interested in making some extra cash, and let me tell you, it's absolutely doable. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what you're going to need to do. First things first, head on over to rapidworkers.com and sign up for a free account. Easy enough. Once you got that all set up, it's time to start browsing through the tasks available to you. Now, here's the thing. There are a ton of different tasks you can choose from, so take your time and find something that really sparks your interest. Once you've found a task that you're excited to tackle, go ahead and get started. But, and this is a big but, don't forget that you're going to have to put in some effort if you want to see some real cash. Sure, this job may be easy, but that doesn't mean you can just coast through it. The more time and effort you put in, the more money you'll make. And let's be real, who doesn't love making money? Now, I'm not going to sit here and tell you that this is going to replace your full-time job or anything like that, but it's a fantastic way to earn some extra money on the side. Just think about all the things you could do with that extra cash. You could save it for a big vacation, buy yourself a fancy new car, or just use it to cover your phone bill and groceries. Making money online is incredibly convenient, and all you have to do is spend a little bit of time on your device. We're all on our devices all the time anyway, right? So why not get paid for it? So there you have it. Today's tutorial in a nutshell. If you learned something new today, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and leave us a comment down below. We love hearing from you guys, and if you want to be the first to know about our latest money-making methods, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. And also make sure to check out our most popular videos above. Thanks for watching.